Took a vacation with my best friend and I've realized she is the dumbest person I've ever met. I'm a guy and have a female best friend. We've been friends for quite a while. Never dated and I have a girlfriend. We are both in college and I don't know how she is even in college after spending a week with her. Like I literally don't know how she's gotten this far in life. And no clue how she's going to get a career job. To point out some things, she was telling me about how she is starting to get depression and anxiety. I then asked her to look at her screen time and the girl is spending 7.5 hours a day on social media. That's almost as much time as a full-time job. And she doesn't see how that's damaging her mental health. We were getting ready to leave the house and took a bunch of food out of the fridge to put it in a cooler. She said we absolutely cannot take any ice out of the freezer. I looked at her with a confused look on my face and asked why. She said she didn't want to use up all the ice. I then had to explain to her how the freezer makes ice. We had some beers left over in the fridge. I asked her if she wanted to split the beers between us. She had no clue what I meant. So I had to explain to her that she would take half of the beers and I would take the other half. She drove through some mud that was on the road from some contractors in the neighborhood and then parked on the driveway. It rained the next day. Mud from the car got on the driveway. No big deal. She went to hose it off and then